Good afternoon and welcome to today's video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood for this 2011 Renault Twingo. It's a 1.6 VVTi Gordini, so it's the Gordini limited edition. Obviously the Gordini is the sports model. It's got the RS badge on the front, the white stripes, white wing mirror backs, finished in Malta blue, metallic. Obviously got the polished diamond cut alloy wheels. It's done 41,000 miles from new with a total of 8 services in the service book, including cam belt replacement. So it's had the cam belt replaced, 8 services. This one's got the dark grey leather with the blue inserts. It's the limited edition. I'll show you the plaque just in front of the gear lever in a minute. You can turn the passenger seat airbag off, and it does have ISOFIX if you wanted to put a child seat in the front. So this one is limited edition number. It says Gordini in the sports leather seats. Limited edition number 157. Nice rev counter, big speedometer. I think the climate control was an upgrade. So down there it says Gordini on the plaque, number 157. Yeah, the automatic climate control was an optional extra on this particular car. So is the metallic paint. It has ESC or traction control, which is an extra. It has curtain airbags. It has an emergency spare wheel. I think you may have had to pay extra for the Malta blue. Lovely and clean. Doesn't look like it's had any paintwork at all. As I say, 41,000 miles, 8 services, cam belt done. Got Goodyear tyres all round. Stripes on the roof, rear spoiler. Priced at £7,495. Got the remotes under there, under the steering wheel for the control of the radio. It's got cruise control, rev counter, 41,000 miles. Just a great example this of a Twingo 1.6 VVT Gordini limited edition number 157, 41,000 miles, 7495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to view our other stock, or visit our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you for your time today. Goodbye.